How to create a joint account on Lloyds Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here are the process and steps to create a joint account for the Lloyds Bank. Step 1, you'll have to visit the Lloyds Bank website. Go to the official website, navigate to the current account section. From there, you can see the joint account, which explains how two people can manage money together. So you can choose how to apply. There are three ways. If you are online and both parties have accounts with Lloyds Bank and use internet banking or the mobile app, you can apply for the joint account directly online. If you're not yet a Lloyds customer or prefer to create the joint account in person, you can even visit the branch. Make sure that both the account holders must attend the appointment together. Step 3. Existing customer. If you are already a Lloyds account, you can apply through the internet banking or mobile banking app. If applying online, you can log in and then follow the prompts to apply. If applying in branch, schedule an appointment with the nearest branch. Upon opening, both account holders will receive a contactless Visa debit card. You can also apply for the shared arranged overdraft. More than two accounts holder required to visit a branch for the further assistance. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.